They could make a dryer door latch that could last 100 years for 50 cents. But they won't do it. Why is that? Why do they make the door latch the weakest, most breakable thing on the whole machine? They purposely designed certain parts to break and wear out on various machines, knowing you'll pay $20 to get a new little piece of plastic that cost them a penny to make. Or you might even just throw the whole dryer away and get another $500-$600 dryer when all it needs is a little 10-cent piece of plastic. And I'm sure General Electric and all these big corporations over the past 50 years have made tens of millions of dollars with that tactic of making certain parts very breakable, and most people will just not bother. They won't know, they won't fix it, and it gets thrown away and they buy a new one. Everything is a scam from these corporations. When I was a kid, we had a Maytag dryer. I remember it needed a little maintenance, like on the pilot light or something like that. But as far as I remember, the door, which got opened and closed a million times, it held up for 25, 30 years. If I remember right, I think it was just a magnet holding the door shut. It was just magnetic. There wasn't much to break. But why make something that will last 30 years when you can make it so that it might break in less than 3 years? So all that junk goes to the landfill when it doesn't have to, yet the government wants us to do all these dumb things to reduce the carbon footprint. We're supposed to spend money to reduce carbon footprint, but they won't make laws that force corporations to make products that don't break easily.